So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install your unit so that it looks like scalp. I'm going to show you how to use 3 layers of glue to get an extreme hold and also how to get that scalp look. So if you haven't already watched that part 1 of how to bleach and tint your knots, I'm finally recording. Y'all should have seen me fumbling. So I'm back with another video. My camera setup is crazy. I don't even know if you can see me. I don't know if I should be looking in the viewfinder or the lens. I don't know, but I'm back with another video, and today's video is sponsored by Kes Wigs. So you guys, it's a brand collaboration. I have a wig to show you guys. I'm gonna do full-on tutorial, try and squeeze it in. What we're gonna be covering is how to customize and install your frontal. I'm gonna be showing you how to style it and how to get it to look like scalp. Right now, I'm still rocking that U part that I installed that y'all have been like battling in the comments about. Go off. I guess that really means it went viral because when all the trolls come in, whatever. Anywho, this video is all about Kes Wigs, and you guys, let's just jump right into it. So, the unit I have here, let me show you. I'm gonna give you the exact specs. Give me one moment so I'm not wrong. I'm just gonna pull up my phone and let you know what it is that they sent me. So you guys know we're also on TikTok. They found us on TikTok, wanted us to feature it because we have a certain specialty. We are cosmetologists. We, meaning me and my sister, own a hair salon, own a hair company, very well versed in hair. So I'm gonna be able to tell you exactly what it's supposed to be, which is really good. So the unit that I have, you guys, is going to be a 22-inch Indian 13x4 HD lace frontal, 180% straight wig. So off top, I already looked at it when they sent it. It was already bomb. Very, very beautiful wig. No lie, no word of a lie. I would not lie to you. I mean, the contract is the contract, so it wouldn't matter what I said. But honestly, you guys, the unit is super full, top to bottom. I wish you could run your hands through it, but just for instance, top to bottom, super full, doesn't taper off, doesn't get thin. The lace itself, small knots. I am going to be bleaching and tinting it. I will show you how to do that. But the lace is absolutely beautiful. You could wear it out of packaging, not have a problem. The knots are beautiful. So as I work with it, I'll be able to show you exactly, you know, what you should be doing to install it at home, because it does come just like this. This is their natural state, straight texture. It was in packaging. So of course, we're gonna have to do a little something to get it going. For the style, super laid out frontal, nice and scalp-like. And we're gonna install it with Esha lace glue. Also, another brand collaboration. Your girl has just been going off. So let's jump right into this video right now. We're gonna start with customizing the frontal here. All right, so I want you to go ahead and take that unit, put it on a head form, make sure it's nice and taut. After that, you want to make sure all of the hair is pretty much dampened across the front, not completely saturated, but definitely not dry. Go ahead and comb that all the way in. One inch is nice. Comb that back. Take all of that baby hair down. Comb it to the front. Right? And we're just gonna place them down, squeeze the hair and pull. Place them down, squeeze the hair and pull. Place them down, squeeze the hair and pull. What it looks like at speed is just this. You're gonna move your tweezers all around. Don't stay in one area or you'll pluck a bald spot. After you feel satisfied, go ahead and remove that hair. Removing the hair immediately allows me to see exactly how much I removed and stay mindful of not getting too excited that I'm plucking and tweezing my frontal and I'm making it go bald. Frontal is looking good. I'm gonna go ahead and customize the part in, but where do we want it? I think we should do, let me call my sister and see what she says. What you say?
I said I seen you was on live.
Oh yeah, girl, I was on live. I was calling you to see what part I should do.
What kind of wig was that again?
22-inch natural straight HD lace frontal, super nice.
Go middle, go middle.
Right, I was thinking middle. We're gonna go ahead and bleach the knots, right? So I'm just gonna take this unit, flip it on the underside, make sure all of the hair is underneath and combed backwards because we don't want to turn anything else blonde than what we're supposed to. So it goes from ear to ear. And what you'll notice about this one, you guys, is it's not where they try and short you and it's real skimpy on the sides. It's like a 13x2. It is the full 13x4 going across, which is really nice to see, especially nowadays, because that is something that is really common. I want to show you guys what I do to make sure all the hair is all behind. You're just going to take it, pull your finger, pull that hair right on back to make sure we are bleaching just the knots and not the actual hair that may be laying out. So we're going to take some Kaleido colors, and I have some Salon Care that is 20 developer. So it's going to be a nice slow mix. So I've already mixed it up. You can see right here, that is me mixing it. I'm just mixing it until it's a paste. We have more control when it's a paste. Then we're going to load our brush, just the front side. We'll take it, make sure it's as neat as possible. Then we're going to apply it in a backwards motion. And you apply it the way the hair is kind of ventilated in, right? Take it and apply it in a backwards motion. Spread it out as even as possible. So you definitely want to make sure you're pressing it through to the other side, but not too tough because you don't want to turn the hair blonde on the opposite side. If you do, it's okay. We'll catch it with tinting. So if you miss any pieces, go ahead and tap it in. Then after that, you'll let it sit until you see a noticeable difference in the color of the hair. Make sure you keep a really good eye on it. I waited until mine turned like a burnt kind of orange, not completely blonde, because you don't want to weaken the hair. After that, I'm just rinsing it out with some cool to warm water, and I'm going to tint my knots with sienna brown or honey brown. If you want step-by-step tutorials, you know you guys can follow us on TikTok. I post all of this in real time. Presently, this video is going viral, so make sure you follow us there too at The Hair Closet. And the next one, I'm going to show you how to install and customize this unit on your head. That'll be a full step-by-step tutorial on how to use lace glue properly and how to lay your lace like a pro. It's going to look exactly like scalp. See you in part 2.